Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make Haley from Dress to Impress. So this is the custom face. If anyone was wondering what I used, I used I used these eyes, and then you can use any eyebrows. I used these lips, and I used these two nose and a pink blush. Maybe I'll add some nails too, like pink ones. And then for the hair, let me just go back. I used this one. You can also layer it with this one though. And then for the bangs, go here and go to the code item and select this one. Select only bangs, and then select the first one to be pink and the second one to be blonde, because she has some like pink in her hair. And then for the headband, obviously we're going to go with this one. Let's do lower, like that. And then for the outfit, obviously it's the code one too, like this. And then for the necklace, I think she uses this one. And then you're going to color that part white. And then we're also going to use this necklace over here, like that. I'm just going to leave the colors because they're basically like this in the game. And then I am going to add some bows too. So let me find the bows. Oh, it's right here. My bad. And just like leave it like this, I guess, because there's like the two bows one over here. And for the legs, I actually don't know what she uses, but I think I'm just gonna do this. And like, I don't know, this, you can use any shoes you want. I don't really know what shoes she wears in the like quest. I don't like that. Maybe you should just wear the slippers. But yeah, you can use anything for the shoes. I actually don't know what she was. I think she was barefooted if I'm not mistaken. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.